Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Micco local and long distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we understand the intricacies of moving items within the city and take proactive measures to solve them. Our dedicated team of professionals provides you with a stress-free move experience in the vibrant city of Micco. Whether you are moving to a new apartment or a smaller house, we've got you covered. Here is what you get when we help you make your relocation process feel like a breeze. Customized moving plans, packing and unpacking services, excellent loading and unloading techniques, and efficient storage solutions. At 3 Movers, we take great care to ensure your items are packed safely and securely. We also go to great lengths to ensure they arrive at your destination before leaving their previous location. In addition, we are affiliated with the necessary certifications and associations to ensure that your belongings go to the desired location smoothly and safely. 3 Movers offers affordable pricing by offering a self-packing option while helping you transport your belongings at a subsidized rate. That way, you can save money and be sure of a dependable move simultaneously. Our expertise ensures that we serve our clients with the best standards. We also allow them to embark on their long-distance move knowing their belongings are safe. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Micco moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.